Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox crashing. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's start. There are plenty of reasons that could happen. So first thing first is, yes, your app's update. You have to search it up in your App Store or Play Store and check if your app is updated or not. If it's not updated, that's their way of simply letting you know, go ahead, update your app. Now update, and that should solve the problem. Next thing, if your app is keep on crashing, then make sure to check in your device, do you have any VPN or anything connected? That might interrupt it as well. Go ahead, disable that, and you should be able to log in. Next thing is your internet connection. If your internet connection is not good or midway it has been turned off, that means your app will crash and it will close itself because there is no internet connection for it to run. Check that and change the connection if you're having any issue with it. Then next thing is, you're providing the correct information to log in. If you are not providing correct information to log in, that will cause you the issue for you to not be able to access your account and play game in Roblox. So once you have checked on all of these issues and corrected it, you should be able to play games easily over here. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.